New decking was an important part of our renovation project. We researched manufacturers with products and systems that met multiple criteria and that also included the requirements established by the homeowners. In addition to being beautiful and tying to the home's architecture, well, the decking had to be durable and easy to maintain. It's what we've required of all the products that we've incorporated into this project, both inside and out. After reviewing several manufacturers, the answer was found in a unique decking line offered by MoistureShield. MoistureShield recommended their infused composite decking to us. It provides a more natural wood look that goes well with this 100-year-old home. Plus, it has a fade and stain warranty the homeowners will absolutely love. Using high-tech composite decking was a logical place to begin, but adding the many benefits offered by MoistureShield took it to another level. We found that not all manufacturers offered both composite decking and matching handrail systems, and those offered by MoistureShield are truly outstanding. Added to that, there are a variety of low-voltage lighting options that can be used to bring a deck to life, and we used many, from post-mounted downlights and post-cap lights to under-rail strip lighting and riser-mounted stair lights. The best part is the lighting for all three deck areas can be controlled from anywhere in the home with individual handheld remotes.
Our last home in Washington State had quite large decks on it that required almost constant maintenance. Pressure washing and painting, and pressure washing and painting, and pressure washing and painting over and over and over again through the various seasons. This MoistureShield product that we have on our decks now should keep that from ever happening again, I hope. Occasional clean off, but no more of that green stuff that grows all over everything. And these decks are just beautiful. They're highly functional, and we couldn't be happier with them.
If you'd like to learn more about MoistureShield decking and handrails, visit their website at MoistureShield.com.